Hey, welcome back, friends, to Scrapping It Up. I'm Vanessa Peter, and I'm showing you another folio that I made with my Floating Folio hinge. This album, though, I didn't play off of any hardback album, where the spine is in the center. This was my very first one that I made with my Floating Folio hinge. So it's not a play off something else, but I wanted to show you guys this, okay? And I do have the tutorial up on my website, Reflections of Time Folio Album. I will put the link down below if you want to go check it out. My website is scrappinitup.com with no G, okay? So go check it out, ladies. This album will hold about 140 of your favorite photos. This album measures 7 by 8.5, and it does have a 2-inch spine that I did do with tie-back and cardstock, because I felt this album needed a little bit more strength on the spine. If I would have been thinking, I would have used Craft Tex, but I wasn't thinking. So I just did the cardstock and tie-back option, okay? Oh, I've got to show you the back. There's the back, ladies. Okay, and there's what it looks like on its side. Okay, and here's my floating folio hinge that I'm talking about. Okay, so this album has 2 flippable pages on each side. Okay, and it flips just like the one I showed you earlier. There was Live It Up. So I put my spine on both sides, okay? Instead of just one spine here in the middle, I done it on both sides. This side mirrors this side, okay? So you have a belly band here, and I just put this envelope here just to show you. And that opens up. And that opens, am I going to stay in camera here? Okay. And then this opens up. So you have that. I'll just do this side and then I'll do the other side. Okay. And you have a pocket here. Okay. And you have a pocket up here too. Then that opens up to reveal that. And then that opens up. And then this opens up, ladies. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? Beautiful. I don't know if I could put pictures on. You could put some pictures, here. But, oh, that is so beautiful. And again, this is a big piece of 12 by 12 cardstock that I just cut it and done it this way. Okay? So just another way of using those big sheets that you don't know what you're going to do with, okay? And then this side opens up. And this collection is Autumn Dream, I believe, by the paper pads that you get at Michael's, okay? Just a second, let me double check. Yes, Autumn Dream by Recollections, okay? So then you have a belly band here. You have a pocket here. And then this opens up. Okay. And that flips. So then you have a double pocket here. Okay. It goes all the way down. And the pocket here. Okay. This really is a really nice album. Then you have a pocket here. Okay. So you have a pocket here, and then that opens up like that. Here we have a waterfall, okay? Like that. And underneath that waterfall is a belly band, ladies. I don't know why I didn't make no photo mats to go behind this. But yeah, you have a belly band underneath this waterfall. Okay, so this side is just like the other side, okay? So it opens up beautiful. This paper was really beautiful paper to work with. So you have a pocket here and here. And then this opens up. And then that opens up. And again, here's another one of those big pages. I didn't know what I was going to do with it, and I done it like that. Ain't that beautiful, ladies? Oh my gosh, I could have that up on my wall. But oh, very cute. Okay, so that was all one page, and then this here is all one page. Okay, sorry about the glare. That foil just kind of messes with the camera. Okay, so that flips. You have a belly band here, ladies. Okay, you have another pocket here, and then that flips open. Okay, so then that flips, and then again you have your double stacked pocket here. Okay, and it does go clear down. Okay, ain't that nice? So then you have this, and then this flips open, and again you have another pocket right here. Okay, so a pocket. I know how you ladies like pockets. So then we're at the back of the album. I have another waterfall here, and it is on a belly band. So again, you have room for a photo card there. Okay. All right, that is my Reflections of Time folio that I made with my new Floating Folio hinge. Okay, now this one I just made out of cardstock. I felt it was, you know, good enough to go out of your cardstock. If, like I said earlier, if you're doing an album that's, you know, more than 2 pages, put Tyvek on it, okay? But I will give you all the details in the upcoming video where I teach you how to do this. So I hope you guys have enjoyed my album share of my Reflections of Time folio album with my new Floating Folio hinge. Okay, I've got a couple more videos to show you girls, and then I'm going to teach you girls how to do this. Talk to you girls later, and give me thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. Would be wonderful. Okay, talk to you girls later. Keep scrapping. Bye-bye.